basic. This topic is we also have to also talk about management. I'm not going to waste much time. Is the risk management. Sorry, I'm not even sharing my screen. Risk management is very, very important. You have to fall in love with your demo account, especially when you are new. You won't know how long I use demo account. Using demo account. You won't believe. I use demo account. I use demo account. I use demo account. So something else. So, and it's lovely. I love how Bybit integrated the demo stuff into this stuff. You can't make use of your demo account on your Bybit. There's what they call paper trading on TradingView. Very, very straightforward. That will help you like track up. We're going to talk about that in this class as well. So let's move. Okay, everybody. I can see Esther and everybody, Habibi. Hey, let's get started. All right. Management in crypto trading. That is, and we'll move to the next module. You know, we are going to be moving to module 2 by tomorrow. Yeah. So what is this? This is BCH. Perfect. This is a simple breakout. One thing is that you are using a very huge time frame for you to be able to spot these things out and be sure. Time frames in crypto analysis matters. When you analyze, the probability is low. But when you analyze your stuffs on the higher time frames, the probability time frame, the higher the people involved. So on any time frame, you should know what you are going to. A trade hits a daily resistance, the market will shake. Compare with that of the 15-minute or the normal 30 minutes we use in terms of hitting the resistance. Times it will just break the resistance. But then I'm trying to say that trading matters. Right? It matters. For Telegram Premium, you actually don't even need to pay. You just need to make use of your 30 days trial. You understand what I'm saying? But after you make use of the 30 days trial, address or the IP address of that phone can't make use of Telegram again. You have to pay before you're able to make use of Telegram. Idea. All right. So, what am I saying? What am I even doing? See, I can easily divert. Basic market analysis and technicals. All right. We're talking about. So whenever I hear basic market analysis, what comes to my mind is market structure. because that actually parted the way. Okay, I remember in our previous class when we talked about swing highs and swing lows. Now I'm going to make sure that this is a class, in the sense that I want to be hearing your voice and I want to be getting answers. Firstly, I want to get this clear. This, for example, they just launched a cryptocurrency and then that coin went like this. What has just happened? What can you see? Is this an uptrend or all right? Is this an uptrend or is this a downtrend? Basically, this is a downtrend, apparently, and obviously, this is a downtrend. Ladies and gentlemen, it gave us a swing high. This point here is called a swing high. That place swing high, all right, and then that place is a high. It is a liquidity grab. Now, one thing you also need to know about this whole thing is us all programmed. They made us understand certain things. If you study ICT, and then after studying ICT, you will discover that that place you are putting your limit order. That is where ICT traders are actually they are wanting to put their TP. Now, how is that making sense? Who taught the same concept? One person brought those two concepts, the ICT concept and the SMC concept. The place where are putting their TP, they call it buy side liquidity or sell side liquidity. That is the place, or they call it a block, and that is where they're putting the limit on. This is bad, right? You have to have, well, there are things you need to understand, and there are confirmations you need to get. Do you understand? There are confirmations you need to get while trading other blocks or trading you need. Now, this is a swing high, and then when you should label this swing high. Why is it called a swing high? The reason why it has left liquidity for us. This is a liquidity. Now, for ICT, why is it called liquidity? It is called liquidity because by the time the first place where price will target is this. The price will easily go to that place because me and you, we believe that price shouldn't go above this place. Above this place. It's actually the masses. So when we went short, we brought this market down because we believe that price shouldn't go above this point. They believe that price should go up from this point. And then when people are going short, they believe that price should go down from this point. We see us go short, you see us go long, is because we believe that, okay, at this point, price should start going up. And that is what happened here. At that point, price started going down. So, perfect. People's stop losses are here. Wait, hope I'm not just talking to myself because it happens sometimes. And I will just be talking so perfect. Our stop losses are here, right? Stop losses are there. That simply means that place is a liquidity grab. So if you are new, I don't know the meaning of liquidity, and where you hear liquidity or where you hear buy side liquidity and you hear sell side liquidity, it's actually here in the upside and in the downside, and they call it buy and sell. Now, if there's money, investors have to buy from down to the upside. So that up also a buy side liquidity. So there is a high, the low, and there is money up here. Stop loss is the money. Stop loss is the liquidity. And the liquidity is not actually the market is against the liquidity. That is how the market is designed. Because the money. And that is the reason why you should avoid new coins. I'm saying it. Trading new listed pairs. Those guys are going to show you that all right. Now, this is side liquidity. I'm going to make it red so that you will know that place is a stop loss. And then this is where people kept their stop. It's called swing high. Now, perfect. And then price came. Observe what happened to the swing high. Observe this. Price went up there. Now, a swing high, I'm going to teach you all the way around. That swing high is also known as you can call it. I'm not going to call it an order block yet, because before something can be called order block, we need to see. But you can just call this a resistance. So sometimes price will go down. Are you feeling me now? And then price will go down, bounced from this place. And these are the things that most smart money concept traders also trade. Smart money concept reversal point is a point whereby there is a possible reversal. For example, price came here, and what happened to that place? Price reversed. Then smart money will always repeat itself, that what happened here, there is a high chance that it will happen point. That is where the price reversed. We have seen this happen many times. Do you understand? That is smart money concept traders. Reversal point. And then place for you to know how everything is connected. Price goes down. Price action traders are not going to tell you that this is a resistance. They are going to call it double top. Have you watched a YouTube video or anything, or have you gone to TikTok and then oh, that is called price. How everything is not related. But then the price will always break resistance. Most at times, price always take the resistance. Do you understand? If not with a week, week simply means you just use that tiny leg and enter inside and again go down. So price must grab liquidity, because the moment price use a little wick and move ahead, it has created a new all-time high. As you can see, it is now higher than the previous one. So therefore, price, no matter what, price has hit some people's stop loss, because some people, obviously, they set some stop losses that are very bad, that are very close. Do you understand? So some people don't short here at this point. There are some people that went short at this point. Why the hell? Perfect. So some people went short at this point, and they went short. Do you know? It was traders that brought this thing down. So when they went short, some people put just, and it's so obvious. You know what I'm saying? Look how price went and did what? Take their stop loss. And it's so obvious. the market makers sees your stop loss. They know where your stop loss are placed. They know where are placed. The strategy you're using, they taught you. So there is nothing. They know everything that you are doing. They know. And that is why sometimes as if the market know when you came in. Because they know when you are meant to come in. Because what you are using, they put those indicators. Everything. And then that is why it's just as if the market is against us. The market is not meant, is not programmed to actually make, is not for the people. But then is from us, all these things with our money. All right. So it's by the people, but it's not like the technical stuff and all these things. You can just buy your cryptocurrencies and hold, as a normal investor. So look how price take out that takes out the stop loss. We are going to say there is a liquidity grab. So you are going to write it down on your note that this is what a liquidity grab. You are going to draw it this way, and then you will say liquidity sweep. So liquidity sweep is not must that it must sweep to the upside. There are different type of liquidity sweep. Now let me show you another way around. Watch this. Price went up. Finally, this is a straight move. And then this change of structure. Or structure, a breakup. So we are going to call this B. I put some abbreviations and terminologies stuff. So I'm going to call this what? Break of what? Of structure. So BOS. BOS stands for break of structure. BOS stands for what? Break of structure. So whenever you are trading, remember that Leon told you that BOS stands for what? Break of structure. So that when you see a break of structure, maybe in a technical indicator or anything, you will know what it means. So why break of structure? And then when they say liquidity sweep, this is the same thing we're talking about. Liquidity sweep, break of structure is the same thing. Because that place where you see that actually move the market down, their stop loss were there. And then look how markets, Adobe did not take TP, because definitely there are some people that is as smart as you. Some people are still leaving their stop losses there. And look how price, and then price has not changed direction. So therefore, there is now a break of bearish. But now, because we have seen a break of structure, we are now going to. So because there is a change of structure. Perfect. And since there is a change of structure, you can now, because this is a new coin that is just listed, we are now going to say something like this. We are going to label this place because price has not taken this low. So we stop losses are here, especially here. People's stop losses are resting here, especially. These points, to know as a trader, always know where people's stop losses are set. You should know, because just assume if you were on the trade before, where will you place your stop loss? You, and that is where you move it up. Observe, when market is about to dump, the first thing the market will do is that place. Market will make sure it take out the stronger. And then observe this. This place has not been taken. This place has not been taken. So this is double liquidity down there. Now, I want you to understand something. Each liquidity is like a magnet. Is like what? A magnet that draws price, that attracts price. So imagine double bottom liquidity. Actually, what we just need is one liquidity, just as it was up here. There was one liquidity that up here, but look how price went and take out that liquidity and then broke structure to the upside. Liquidity on the bottom. Price action traders are going to call this double bottom. But we are seeing stop losses. And then we know that market stop losses. This is a new coin. And this new coin need money. Do you understand? Why people are seeing this coin as broke structure and people are going long? Grateful is that stop losses. Because that is what the market makes. These stop losses that you are seeing here, they are attracting is going to happen next. This is how price will go. This is how price will go. Any confluence simply means any strategy or anything that can affect price. Anything that doesn't make this price to dump, the first thing that price will do is to dump and take off these stop losses. Perfect. And when price take off this place, observe what happens. Is this still bullish? What is it? It's bearish. And it is not just bearish, it is extremely bearish in the sense that this is no longer a BOS. It is no longer a BOS. It is a coach, a change of character. A change of character is a change in price that includes or that takes, I don't even know how, a break of structure inside. For example, the reason why we are going to call this a change of character is because when I write change of, and make sure you get this point, market structure, you are in trouble. CH stand for change. O stand for what? Off. And another CH stand for change. So this is what they call it. They call it coach. I'm going to put a coach there. Now observe. Why is it a coach? Why is this one called a change of character? Why am I calling this a change of character? Why didn't I call this a change of character? I am calling this a change of character because it is taking out the low. This is the low that formed a break of structure. So for some, it must take out the low that created an initial break of structure. Now, this is called a break of structure. This is called a break of structure only because it didn't take out any low or any high that was the leg of another break of structure. So this is called a change of character because it took out the low, this break of structure. Perfect. Now, I'm going to start this from beginning. Watch this. I want you to see how price formed. You need to understand. It's very, very important. It's very, very, this is very, very important. This red place I'm going to mark out is called buy side liquidity. If it is ICT concept that you want to be learning for ICT, guys, buy side liquidity. The reason why it's called liquidity, people are have set their stop loss already there. You know, smart money concept, something like this. Oh God, like this now. What was this one? To put this at 740. Must be at 7. I'm going to put this on 900. Put this at 7. Perfect. So now observe this. ICT, smart money concept traders take their profit here, and they have put their stop loss here. This happened many times. All right. Smart money concept will do something like this, and then you see them post their signals they want to sell. This is a normal strategy that works. Wait, 1 minute, please. 1 minute, 1 minute. All right.
Are you there?
So we have seen this happen many times. Please, let's stay muted. Stay muted. Smart money concept traders set P&Ls like this at times, especially the professionals. A professional smart money concept trader, they always set limit order because most at times like this, tap this place time and price will go down with force. Then they just set limit order, and before you see money on their wallet, TP hit. So it's a very clean strategy that works. So that is why that place is a liquidity, and that place is always crucial. And about to hit SL, the SL is already, you feel me? And that is why it's just, and that is why it's just like that. So that's why that place is called liquidity, and is a very crucial zone. All right. That place, there's the stop loss there. Is a swing high. Now it's a swing high. All right, it's a swing high now, and perfect. Label is swing high. After you have labeled that swing high, up there, took out this initial swing high. Now that it's called break of structure, price has took a swing low. This is a swing low because people have set stop losses here. Down to this place. These stop losses that are here are still here. They have not been taken out. These red things I'm drawing here has been taken out, and I'm going to change the color. So the break of structure that happened there, stop loss has been taken. Now this is where stop loss is, and that is where the next thing that price will be targeting. Now observe what price is doing. So the reason why that place is called break of structure is because price broke a swing high. And then if price come and take out this swing low, a swing low that is the leg that has a break of structure, if price takes that swing low, it is now called change of character. So that is the reason why it's called change of character. Now observe this. Look at what is going to happen. Price went up there. Let's say price did something. I think most at times it will just do something like this. And observe that. Now this is reversal. This is reversal. Look what happened. This is the leg. It took out the swing low that created a break of structure. It took off this double liquidity. Double liquidity is very massive, because the more the liquidity, that is how it's just going to go double, and is very that is just how it is, and that is why it's just called like that. So we're going to call this thing change of character. Perfect. Understand, ladies and gentlemen, very important. Understand break of structure, BOS, and change of character. If you want something else for you, observe this now. Observe this. Okay, market cannot. Okay, this is how market moves. Okay, and then What is this? This is a swing low. The reason why it's called a swing low is because this is the lowest. This is a new coin. And then before you know, this particular cryptocurrency also has stop losses set here because some people went long on this coin. They went long on the coin and they have their stop losses set here. Observe what is happening. And then price came. Price is always after the stop loss, ladies. And that place is no longer called a swing low, but is now called a BOS. So price is that place is now what? A BOS. So so that place is now called a BOS. So I'm going to label it what? BOS, which is called break of structure, BOS. Now see what price is going to do. Now let's say later price now went up a little bit, did a retest, and when price did a retest, some people are going to do what is a breakout and retest, but then price now went down, did what they call change of character. And then what price did here was that price did another BOS here. Price did another BOS here. When price did another BOS there, price also stop losses here. Perfect. And then when price took it off, it has changed color to blue. Perfect, because it is now successful. And then we are now going to call this place what? Let's say, for example, this guy has been a good. He doesn't lie, and then this is how his way has been. But all of a sudden, the guy changed character. That is what happened here. We have seen this guy that has been trending to the downside, breaking structures to the downside, but then all of a sudden, see how he moved up, and then it has changed character to the upside. And then look how these guys trade it. People that are called price action traders, they are going to do like this. This thing is a cup. You see how it's round? Perfect. I believe you have seen these guys in YouTube, and then you see them when they don't even talk. They don't like. That is it. That everything are trading the same thing. It's just matter of perspective. That is the correct vocabulary to use. That is it. So when they come, they will just do like this, and before you know, you will see price will just start going to the upside because price has changed character. So it's very, very important to observe here, and what I drew down here is the same thing. Just that this one is for bearish and this one is for bullish. Now I want to do example, and I'm going to pick randomly for people to give me answers because this is 5 minutes to go, and then I'm going to round up. This is very, very important. Understand this, please. Very, very important. So I'm going to draw something like this. I'm going to draw something like this, and I want somebody to tell me what this place is called. What am I going to call this place? What are you going to call it? I've called this place several names. Do you understand? And for many, many strategies. All right. But what can you call this place based on what you've learned today? Let me see those that are raising their hands and they're ready to answer this question. Who's ready to answer my question? I'm going to pick randomly. Jeremiah, are you there? Jeremiah, what are you going to call this place? Who else is there? Okay, Rabi, you want to answer the question? Allowed to speak. Rabi, you go on. We have 45 participants in this class. Yes. Tell me what this place is called.
Liquidity point.
Yes, is a very correct, bro. This place is called a liquidity point, and it's called a buy side liquidity. Perfect. And you can also call it a swing high. Correct, Rabiu. I deeply appreciate. Thank you very much, bro. Yes, so it's called a liquidity point size, and you can also call it a swing high because that is the because this is a new coin and this is the all-time high of the coin. Thank you very much, Rabiu. So thank you very much. Now, this is it. And let's say, for example, price takes out this place. Let's say price takes out this place. Now, what am I going to call this place? What am I going to call this place? Other place. Am I going to call it what? Yes. Anybody? Oh, I see you. Oh, plenty hands. Oh,
BOS.
I have to unmute them. I have to unmute everybody. IFX. Why is your own not unmuting? Please, let's stay unmuted. Let me unmute you because this is a class. This is a class. We need to interact. There is this satisfaction I want to get from what. So what am I going to call? What am I going to call this zone?
Change your character. Change your character.
I think it's break of structure.
Break of structure. That's what
Perfect. But this is the correct answer. Perfect. So what happened here is a BOS, and the person that said change of character. This is break of structure. So BOS. Now you should know now. You should be sure now. All right.
No, you said the market. Listen, bro. You said the market is bearish first.
Yes, the market was bearish initially, but now price
it moved up, and it broke the previous swing high. So it's going to be change of character or shift in market structure.
It's the same thing.
Correct. That's correct. Yes, that's correct. Perfect. If that is how you learn, then let's go on. So this is a break of structure, guys, and then this is a break of structure. And look what happens. I'm going to ask us another question. You all should learn. So this is. I'm going to say, okay, for example, and then look what is going to happen next. Answer. I'm going to make this place red. Sorry. So look what happens when price comes. Look what happens. I'm going to ask the question now. Look what happens, and then price take out that low. Observe. The price take out everything. Now, what is this zone called?
Change of
What are we going to call this zone?
Change of character.
Perfect. This is change of character. Can you tell me? Can anybody? Yeah? Let me tell you why it's called a change of character. It's called a change of character. All right. This place is called a change of character. Let's stay muted. Let's stay muted, guys. So the reason why this place is called change of character. Now listen. This place change of character, and why you should call this place change of character. This zone is called change of character because the character, and then this leg took out the initial leg that formed the every change of character should take out a break of structure. Only then will you call it a wall. If a change of character did not take out any BOS, it is not a change of character. So because the reason why it is called a change of, it took out the leg that formed a BOS. Perfect. So, an initial structure that has been a change of character. So a good boy that has been good all this while, and then all of a sudden started following bad boys. He has happened here. And sometimes, okay, what if something happens like this? What if something like this happens? Look at this. Look what happened here now. Observe this. Observe. Observe.
Okay.
Now what happened here? Who can tell me what this zone is called? Who can tell me
Continuation.
what this zone is called?
Trend continuation.
Continuation of the what? Of the initial break of structure. Continuation of the trend. Perfect.
Yeah.
So therefore, we are still going to call this place. We can call this place another break of structure because it's now breaking structure to the upside continuously. Can't you see? So everything is now moving up. But then the moment observe price breaks that leg. Look where price stops. Now look. Now look. The moment price breaks this leg, this red zone I'm drawing now, this place is now called, as long as it has taken out an initial BOS, it is called a change of character, guys.
Yes.
Do we understand?
Yes.
This is how you understand when price has changed direction. So at times, what I do is that I trade change of characters. When I see that most of the time, this is what we do as smart money concept traders. This is what we do. And then we call this demand zone. This place I'm drawing right now is called a demand zone. And once and then we'll target this place. Look what I am doing. And then we'll set stop loss here. And then we will now wait for price to just bounce this place. Strategy that most of us have been doing, even me have been using this strategy. This strategy is very, very sweet. But most at times, what I do again is, it is also a strategy that is inside the SM for the ICT trader. The strategy was taught to the ICT traders. Now look what happened. Most at times when price come, when price to bounce to the upside, price will break it. And when price break it, me and you are going to call this change of character. Price will downside. Perfect. What I do is that I trade is a change of character, guys. This is a change of character, as you can see. This is a price. This is a change of character. Can you see that this is a change of character? And I will trade. It's called breakout. And I will target the initial low. I will target the initial low, and then that is it. So this strategy was shown to ICT traders. ICT traders call it market structure shift. Market structure shift. Perfect. They call it a mess, guys. So that is it. And market structure shift, and then they move down to the downside. That is what ICT. And this place is a change of character or a market structure shift, depending the strategy you want to be learning. And that is price action traders are going to say this is head and shoulder. Perfect. They are going to call this head and shoulder. Do you see? Good. And some other traders are going to say this is, they will do it like this, or whatever. This is just it. So this is everything in some other traders will just bring a line. They will just draw a line like this. And when they draw that straight line like this, they call it diagonal resistance. And then they wait for the line to be broken out. They will short. They will take their own shot. Early entries. Early entries are most of the times they also have early losses as well. And then they target the next downside. Strategies, but at the same but we are all trading the same thing, guys. We are all doing the same thing. So I believe you have learned a lot of things from structure and simple technical analysis. This class is recorded, and you can always come back to this video and things moving forward, because I'm also going to disclose, show you some technical indicators like smart money concept by Los Algo, and show you how. I'm going to shock you. You are actually using smart money concept Los Algo indicator in the wrong way.
Okay.
There is a way you should use it, and there is a way you should be using it. All right. So in our next class, I'm going to show you everything that you need to know, guys.
Okay. Good evening, all. Good evening,
Indicators.
sir.
Yeah.
Okay. Actually, I'm just a newbie, so I just joined the group, and I wanted to ask if the class is being recorded. So when you just said that, I was okay. So I really appreciate you for what you've done for humanity, just for free. I pray God enrich you more. Thank you, sir.
Amen. Amen. Amen, bro. The class is recorded. Thank you very much. Z.
All right.
Please, how do we get
Yes.
the link to the class?
Thank you, sir.
Please,
Who asked the question? That is it Tolu Lokpe?
yeah, please, how do we get the link to the classes?
Yeah, this is the class already, and we are just
Good morning, sir.
Sir, sorry, do you